This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, heated seats, the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Toyota is Indiana's premier Toyota dealership to purchase new Toyotas, used cars, and Toyota certified pre-owned vehicles. Located in Avon and serving the greater Indianapolis metro area, we currently stock over 600 new, used, and certified pre-owned vehicles. Visit us today at 8941 East US Highway 36 or see us online at andymohrtoyota.net.